Welcome, fellow travelers. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the enchanting city of Córdoba, Spain. Whether planning a visit or simply daydreaming about Andalusian adventures, this guide will provide you with all the insights you need to make the most of your time in this historic gem. So, grab your virtual passports and let's dive into the heart of Córdoba. First, let's address the burning question. Is one day enough to experience Córdoba? Absolutely. While the city is brimming with history and culture, its compact layout allows you to explore its highlights comfortably within a day. From ancient mosques to vibrant patios, Córdoba offers a rich tapestry of experiences that can be woven into a single, unforgettable day. Our journey begins with the undisputed crown jewel of Córdoba, the Mezquita-Cathedral, or Mosque-Cathedral of Córdoba. This awe-inspiring architectural masterpiece is not just a building, it's a living chronicle of Córdoba's layered history. Picture this. You're walking into a place where the past and present converge, where every arch and pillar whispers tales of centuries gone by. It's not just a sight to see, it's an experience to feel. Originally built in the 8th century as a mosque during the height of the Islamic Caliphate, the Mezquita was a symbol of Córdoba's prosperity and prominence as a cultural and intellectual hub. At the time, it was one of the largest and most magnificent mosques in the Islamic world. But what sets the Mezquita apart isn't just its size or beauty, it's the way it evolved. When the city fell under Christian rule in the 13th century, the mosque was converted into a cathedral, leading to a stunning fusion of Islamic and Christian architecture. As you step inside, you're greeted by a mesmerizing forest of over 850 red and white striped arches and jasper, marble, and granite columns. These columns stretch endlessly, creating an almost hypnotic rhythm that draws you deeper into the space. It's a place that feels both infinite and intimate at the same time. Then suddenly, you find yourself standing in the heart of the building, a soaring Christian nave added centuries later. It's grand, ornate, and completely different in style from the rest of the structure. The juxtaposition is striking, a testament to Córdoba's unique history as a meeting point of cultures and religions. It's as if the building itself is a dialogue between the past and present. Don't miss climbing the bell tower, once the minaret of the original mosque. From the top, you're rewarded with breathtaking views of the city. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply someone looking for a moment of wonder, the Mezquita-Cathedral is the one place in Córdoba you cannot miss. Just a stone's throw from the Mezquita-Cathedral lies the Alcazar de los Reyes Cristianos, a place where history, power, and beauty intertwine in spectacular fashion. The Alcazar, or the Castle of the Christian Monarchs, served as a residence for Catholic rulers Ferdinand and Isabella during a pivotal moment in Spanish history, the final stages of the Reconquista. It was even here, legend has it, that the monarchs met with Christopher Columbus to discuss his voyage to the New World. The fortress palace is a fascinating blend of military architecture and serene elegance. As you walk through its walls, you can almost feel the weight of the centuries. The echoes of Moorish rulers who first built on this site, the Catholic monarchs who transformed it, and even the Inquisition, which later used the Alcazar as its headquarters. But this isn't just a place for history buffs. It's a feast for the senses. The highlight for many visitors is the lush, sprawling gardens. Think geometric patterns of fragrant flowers, rows of citrus trees, bubbling fountains, and tranquil ponds, all set against the golden stone walls of the Alcazar. It's a place that begs you to linger, to breathe in the scents of jasmine and orange blossoms, and to soak up the Andalusian sun. Climb the towers for a panoramic view of Córdoba, where the skyline is punctuated by the majestic Mezquita and the rooftops of the old city. The Alcazar offers a perfect blend of history and beauty, making it a must-visit spot that adds a touch of regal elegance to your Córdoba itinerary. As the day progresses, immerse yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the Juderia, Córdoba's historic Jewish quarter. This charming neighborhood is a maze of narrow alleys, whitewashed houses, and hidden courtyards. Along the way, you'll encounter the 14th century synagogue, one of the few remaining in Spain, showcasing exquisite Mudéjar architecture. Pause at the statue of Maimonides, the renowned Jewish philosopher born in Córdoba, and let the echoes of history guide your steps. For a midday respite, indulge in Córdoba's culinary delights. The city is famed for its tapas culture, offering many dishes that tantalize the taste buds. Dive into a bowl of salmorejo, a creamy tomato soup garnished with jamón and hard-boiled eggs, or savor rabo de toro, a hearty oxtail stew. Pair your meal with a glass of Montilla Moriles wine, a local specialty that perfectly complements the flavors of Andalusian cuisine. After satisfying your palate, go to the Palacio de Viana, a hidden gem showcasing Córdoba's tradition of ornate courtyards, known as patios. This 14th century palace boasts 12 distinct patios, each with its unique charm. From the courtyard of the orange trees to the courtyard of the Madama, you'll be enchanted by the vibrant flora and intricate designs that have earned Córdoba's patios a UNESCO World Heritage designation. As the sun sets, consider experiencing the passion of flamenco, an art form deeply rooted in Andalusian culture. Several venues in Córdoba offer authentic flamenco shows where soulful singers, dynamic dancers, and masterful guitarists come together to create an unforgettable performance. Let the rhythms and melodies transport you to the heart of Spanish tradition. Now let's talk logistics. Getting to Córdoba is a breeze, especially if you're based in Andalusia. High-speed trains connect the city to major hubs like Seville and Malaga, making it an ideal day trip destination. Once in the city, most attractions are within walking distance, allowing you to soak in the ambiance as you move from one site to another. For those considering an overnight stay, Córdoba offers a range of accommodations to suit various budgets. Staying in the historic center provides easy access to the main attractions and allows you to experience the city's charm after the day trippers have departed. From boutique hotels housed in historic buildings to modern establishments with all the amenities, you'll find options that cater to your preferences. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to enhance your Córdoba adventure. Timing is everything. To avoid the crowds, visit major attractions like the Mezquita and Alcazar early in the morning or later in the afternoon. Stay hydrated. Andalusian summers can be scorching. Carry a water bottle and take breaks in the shade to stay refreshed. Dress comfortably. Wear comfortable shoes as the cobblestone streets can be unforgiving. Also remember that some religious sites may have dress codes, so plan accordingly. Engage with locals. Cordobans are known for their warmth and hospitality. Don't hesitate to discuss or ask for recommendations. You might discover a hidden gem off the beaten path. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to experiencing the magic of Córdoba in a day. From its rich history and stunning architecture to its delectable cuisine and vibrant culture, Córdoba promises a journey that lingers in your memory long after you've departed. If you found this guide helpful and want more travel insights, subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best travel content. Safe travels, and hasta luego.